Create successful YouTube channel. Creating a successful YouTube channel requires careful planning, dedication, and consistent effort. I can give you an overview of the key steps to create and grow a YouTube channel. One, define your niche. Choose a niche or topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you create content that engages your audience. Two, research and competition analysis.
Study successful channels in your niche to understand what works. Identify gaps in content that you can fill.
Three, branding and channel name. Select a unique and memorable channel name and design a visually appealing profile picture and banner. Consistency is key.
Four, create high quality content.
Invest in a good camera, microphone, and video editing software. Create content that is informative, entertaining, and well produced. Five, SEO and keywords. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve searchability. Use YouTube search and suggestion features to identify relevant keywords.
Six, consistent upload schedule. Stick to a regular upload schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Consistency helps build an audience.
Seven, engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Ask for feedback and interact with your viewers on social media. Building a community is crucial. Eight, collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach a wider audience and gain credibility. 9. Promote on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to increase visibility. 10. Thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails and titles to entice viewers to click on your videos. They should be relevant and intriguing. (11) Analytics and feedback. Use YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos. Pay attention to audience retention, click-through rate, and watch time. Adjust your content based on feedback. (12) Monetization. Once you've built a substantial following, explore monetization options like AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise. (13) Stay updated. Keep up with YouTube's policies and trends too. Ensure your channel complies with guidelines and remains relevant. (14) Patience and persistence. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Be patient and persistent, and don't get discouraged by slow growth. (15) Legal and copyright compliance. Always respect copyright laws when using music, images, or other content in your videos. Follow YouTube's guidelines to avoid copyright strikes.